I wanted to kind of do a video where first I'll show myself. Hi everyone. It's been I think about 3 months that I started this whole thing. Let me just I think if I just scroll down and move yeah, 3 months ago. Um, and and we've just crossed 300 subscribers, so I'm super happy about it. And I wanted to kind of like give you sort of a small tour around what's in the channel, and because I've been doing a bit of cleanup, putting some playlists together, because I kind of realized the thing is moving really fast, and just just to give people sort of a sense of where can things be found. I mean, the most important thing is I kind of recently got to write a little bit more about the channel. Just a sentence really, because I started this whole thing by just saying, it's just me learning about quantum computing and kind of exploring and then sharing my sessions. But it's really, I think it really came down. It really, you can boil this down to raw, non-edited exploration of quantum computing. It's something that is not really commonly available out there, because a lot of the stuff that you find in quantum computing are sort of like really well polished videos from Qiskit, from other people, from other companies, that they kind of try to explain quantum computing, and it's sort of in a way that it's really curated, and it has to be perfect and it has to be correct, etc. So, and I kind of wanted to get rid of these, because that's not my daily job. I just do this sort of started as a sort of a way to create accountability to myself, but then I realized it's really helpful, and it's really helpful for people as well, I guess. And I don't have to be correct. I can make mistakes. I can jump on doing the videos right away. And that's kind of the value for me, because I don't have to sort of spend too much time boiling the ocean, editing the videos, and no, I'm just the raw material. I think that's helpful for myself as well as helpful for people. You don't have to watch all the videos, but I think it's nice when you kind of realize that you get stuck, and then you suddenly figure things out. And so I've been just don't want to steal too much of your time, but basically I've been grouping some of the playlists here recently. And I think I'm not yet done, but basically those are the major groups, right? So you've got book reviews, where I only have one of them right now. You've got quantum games. That was a lot of fun as well in the very beginning. Bit of quantum chemistry as well. This is really just starting with this, because in general I'm doing sort of project reviews. I'm getting started with project reviews. I'm just doing 2 so far. Quantum chemistry. This is about the Jupyter notebooks in Qiskit and the IBM Quantum Experience, and I'm also doing. Where is it? I'm also doing. I'm also doing the one with the Yellow Submarine project that kind of opened up all the box for CV quantum computing for me. I was like, okay, I was not aware of all that. So, and I'm kind of like at the point where I'm finishing it up right now. But basically, let me just go back here. So, quantum AI and machine learning. I've been doing some of the stuff here based on papers. It was kind of fun at the beginning, the KNN algorithm, quantum GANs, neural networks, and stuff like that. I'll probably explore a bit more, but I'm kind of at the point now where I did a bit of the QAOA algorithm as well. This one here. I kind of realized that the machine learning part is so far a bit boring, or it's a bit underwhelming for me. It's not really what I'm looking forward to exploring quantum computing, because at the end of the day, it just boils down to using parameterized circuits as machine learning models. I mean, there must be, and there is for sure, some kind of more new type of machine learning that you can do, I guess. Read that somewhere. But I'll see. I'll come across this probably later on in my journey. I don't know. I'm not so sure if I will just put that aside for a while and then try to explore a bit more other more kind of like weird quantum computing stuff. I got textbook algorithms. Sure, the QFT. I probably got to refresh that, because I realized I made a big mistake here. I think it was part 1, part 2. I think I'm from the very beginning. I mean, if you take a look at the, let's see, where is that? If you take a look at the circuit that I'm building, it's like I'm using control rotations, which is totally wrong. It should be the control U gates. So I don't even know how I just made up the whatever conclusion. I was like, I think the learnings are still valid, but I'll probably redo and refresh that. It's definitely um, it's definitely not the correct way to build things. To use that tools and providers. So I've done a lot of D-Wave, a bit of Q Sharp in the beginning, the IBM Q, which kind of was, I think, the bulk of the videos are IBM Q based. But now I'm at the point where I actually learned about Quirk, and I just fall in love. I just fall in love with the tool, and I think that's definitely the one that I'm going to stick with for the next months. Um, what else? Yeah, I mean, some other stuff is keep. I mean, it's been mostly. I think I'm at a point where um, I've done, I think, most of the textbook algorithms, like the famous ones, and I'm pretty satisfied with what I have. Each of them has also like a 2 minutes sort of explanation with no math. Um, and really, I think I'll start drifting into project reviews. So I'll try to kind of learn all the stuff around, kind of based on different projects, try to see, what are the things that I'm missing, and kind of do reviews. I think that's what I'm gonna. That's when those are gonna be my next steps, probably. Yeah. So I mean, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Just browse around. If you have any ideas, any other things that you want me to touch, let me know. And it's just been a lot of fun, and I'll keep working on this. It just makes my everyday awesome, really. I just look always forward to making those videos. Perfect.